So you want to open a bakery. I think there's many ways to open up a bakery. You can start with a small budget. You can start with a big budget. You can buy used equipment on Facebook Marketplace. You can find small footprint. You can start your business from home. There's many ways to do it. But let's take a look at some others.
Free. How much do you think one of the baking racks that we put in the oven costs?
500.
It's like $1,500. Raylene, how much do you think the gallon of lemon oil costs?
I think maybe $25.
It's $468.
That's actually crazy.
Alyssa, how much do you think the ingredient containers that we hold the chocolate chips in, how much do you think that costs?
Maybe like 50?
They're $300.
For one?
Yeah.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
You're not joking.
No, I'm not joking. I'm not even joking. Yeah.
That's a very difficult business because
Yeah.
your cost of ingredient is very high.
Yeah.
The cost of talent is high to make these beautiful products. They need the very best butter. They need the very best, dairy.
Yeah.
So yeah, it gets expensive. Your profit margin isn't great. And the biggest thing about that is you're not selling any booze.
No.
50,000. Got this used for about 1,000. 25,000. This one we got used for about 10,000. This one we got for free, but it's normally about 65,000. 25,000. 1,500. 1,500. 1,500. 1,500. But we got a little bit of a refund because it's dented at the bottom.
You can sell these for $8. No, let me stop you right there. No one on the internet should be telling you what to charge. Let me explain something to you. Every state and country that you go to, the price of eggs will be different. Butter isn't the same. Rent isn't the same. Utilities aren't the same. So if you're copying prices online, my friend, you're not pricing, you're guessing. And guessing is what's keeping bakers and food business owners stuck in survival mode. In conversation after conversation with bakers and food business owners, it's the same thing. I'm working nonstop, taking order after order, and I'm still wondering why the money isn't there. That's because survival mode isn't a business strategy, and it's not sustainable. Right now, you're one person. And if your pricing is off, you might need 25 to 30 orders every single week just to pay the bills. Now, be honest. Can you keep that up by yourself long term? Here's another option. You can learn how to price the right way using a real framework so that you're taking fewer orders and making the same money. Guys, here's the thing. It's the same work, but with less burnout. And for a lot of you, it's the first time that your business will actually be profitable. Bakers and food business owners, this is exactly what I teach my students inside my live Pricing Like a Pro workshop. So you can stop guessing, find out where you're leaking money and make more. All without working endless hours in the kitchen or charging $8 for your products just because someone on the internet told you to.
Hey Eric, how much do you think that box of chocolate costs?
$200.
330.
Hey, really? How much do you think the display case costs?
Like $7,000?
$14,000.
How much do you think that bar of chocolate costs?
100?
$175.
Oh shit.
How much do you think the sheeter costs?
The sheeter, maybe like 10,000?
13.
13? Oh.
How much do you think that this rack costs?
$150.
$250. And how much do you think this container of vanilla beans costs?
I think it cost $52.
$175.
One of our series, how much did that cost? And I'm here to tell you. It's pretty expensive to open up a bakery, but you can do it on a budget, and I'm going to tell you how. This is what everything costs. A cute little sign for your building, that's going to be $600. Custom printed decals, that's going to set you back like $400. Mini cooler, $1,600. Square register with accessories, like $1,000. This glass case, custom built, $3,800. All of the rest of this furniture, like $1,200. Cheapest menu you could get, $300. These cabinets, custom built, $7,800. 3 blenders, $110 each. The countertops that we've been complained that they're not white marble like every other bakery, these were $3,400. Cute bookshelf, $250. Boxes, bags, all of the things to put your product in, that's going to cost you around $1,000. Marketing, stickers, branding materials, that's probably going to set you back like another $1,000. It's expensive to be me. Come back for part 2.
If you want to make the internet really mad, make sure you include your price in your small business post. I promise you, no matter how much it is, people are going to be upset about it.
This is how much it costs to start a bakery in Melbourne. Total might surprise you. To list this space in Huntingdale, it costs us $3,700 per month. And our central kitchen is $1,700 per month. Furniture inside and outside costs us $21,000. Back of house fridges were $12,000. Front of house fridges were another $7,200. Our coffee machine was $32,000. This oven alone cost us about $8,000. This was a $4,900. Cabinetry was one of the biggest costs at $47,000. Flooring came to $9,500, and all the hidden costs like plumbing, electrical, waterproofing, that was another $63,000. And that's before considering ongoing costs such as stocks, staffs, insurance, bills, and everything else. Starting a bakery isn't cheap, but for me, it was worth it. What do you think?
This is our batch freezer Gigi. She cost us about $40K, but now she goes for around $57K. And this is our blast freezer, who we don't have a name for, and this cost us $6K used. This is our 6x6 interior walk-in freezer, and it cost us $14K. This is Papa. It's a 120-liter pasteurizer, the Pastamaster 120HE, and it cost us $60K. This is Christopher, walk-in. Just kidding, we don't call him that. This was $8,000. Our one and only oven was $6,500. Cute baby fridge, $1.5K. 6 tub dipping cabinets, each $2,000, but I think they're a little bit more now. Merchandise freezer 1 was $3K. Merch freezer number 2 was $5K. Our lovely menu was $4,000. This is our dishwasher Bill. He was $7,000. Waffle cone machines are $1,500 USD each.
If you don't know how to make a sale, if you can't go get a stranger to buy your product or service, don't touch the money. That debt gonna have you lose your wife, lose your husband, get them kids at a private school, gonna take you to bankruptcy. No business funding first. See, everyone doesn't know how to sell. The mistake I see, people spend 3 months, 6 months, a year trying to figure out how to get funding and get the credit cards and drain their 401k and get their, and they build the business. They got the website, the product, they got all this. Now they're looking for the button to push to bring the customers. That's the hardest part in business. The $1 million problem is getting a person to drive into your store and go pull that credit card and spend with you. If you can't do that, don't touch that money.
My very first market, I made 240 bagels, and I remember just being completely exhausted from making that amount of bagels. And because of our size, I hear from really small bakers all the time that say, like, I don't understand how you're doing 1,500 bagels like we're doing today. And to be honest, there's no secret to it. But what happens is you just get better and better and better at what you're doing. I think of it as like working out or like getting stronger. It's like your endurance increases. You're able to do more production every single time you do in the kitchen because you find little tricks that make you more efficient or make things easier, or the way you set up your schedule is better. All those things lead to you making more and it feeling a lot easier as you do it.